Service here with Lead Titan, and today I want to show you this really cool feature that you can use to keep track of the documents that you send to your clients or leads. So a lot of times you might be on the phone and you want to send a message like a text message or an email over to a client, and you want to be able to upload that information and just save it right to the contacts account. So I'm going to show you how you can easily do that using GohighLevel. And I have an example here that I've already uploaded, but I want to take you back to the beginning of this just to show you what it looks like. So let's say, for example, I'm going to send a text message to one of my clients. I'm going to hit the attached file here. I'm going to upload it from my system, and I'm going to send them over my insurance certificate. So then once you attach the file, it's going to add this little box here that says add to documents. You can check that box here, send this message off, and then what it's going to do is it's going to add this information over to your documents here. So you can see that the insurance certificate went through and it is now attached. Now, you can now preview this information in here if you would like, or you can also download the information as well. All right, I hope this was helpful. Have a great day.